Okay guys, right now I will explain or enter the new topic talking about ionic bonding. I have already uploaded some stuff, some PPTs in ManageBack, and then the PPT is talking about the definition of ionic bonding and also the characteristic of ionic bonding. So I don't want to cover the definition and also the characteristic of the ionic bonding right now. Right now, I just want to focus on the 4 things that I want to explain. The first one is I have to little bit review about definition. What is the definition of the ionic bonding? The second one is chemical structure. The first one is Lewis and Watt structure. The third one is chemical structures again, but for line structure. And the last one is the chemical formula. Okay, so there are 4 things that I want to teach you right now how to make the ionic bond. Okay, the first one is definition. So definition of the ionic bonding is so easy. Ionic bonding has a keyword. A keyword of the ionic bonding is so you take electrons and then you give electrons. Okay, so like for example, I take somebody's cookies and then I will give my cookies to somebody else. So like there is a take and give. So there is interaction between the 2 elements. Okay, definition again: take and give. Okay, take and give electrons. Okay, so the first things you have already know, right? Take and give electrons. That's the definition of ionic bonding. So the second thing that I want to teach you is how to draw the chemical structure. But if you want to draw the chemical structure, you need some steps. Okay, so right now is the chemical structure. Second, chemical structure. Okay, so the first step that you have to do is you have to make electron configuration, of course. So first step is make electron configuration. Let's say the example is, could you please make the chemical structure between sodium 11, please remember, and then chlorine 17. So sodium 11 and chlorine 17. Okay, sodium 11 and chlorine 17. Okay, so the first one is the first step is make the electron configuration. Make electron configuration. So first, sodium 11 equals to 8, okay, correct, 1, that's good, okay, 2, 8, and 1. Now, sodium needs to become octet, that's correct. So, the only thing that sodium can do it is remove 1 electron. So, when you remove 1 electron, it becomes 8 octet. When sodium remove 1 electron, so sodium it means lose electron. When sodium lose electron, sodium becomes oxygen. Okay, you got it until this one? Okay, good. The next one is chlorine. Chlorine is 17. 17 is 2, 8, 7. Oh, to become octet, so chlorine needs to take 1 electron from outside. So I put here, take 1 electron from outside. When chlorine take 1 electron from outside, so it means chlorine has additional electron. So when chlorine has additional electron, chlorine is now take and remove. Take and remove. It's similar with take and give, take and give. So that's why when there is remove and take, we can say that between sodium and chloride, you can produce ionic bond. Okay, so that's the concept about ionic bond. When you have element that take electrons, and when you have elements that remove or give electrons, so that's why we call it ionic bond. Okay, do you have any questions? Okay, so we continue. That's the first step. The second step is Lewis structure. Now, in my review video before, I have already explained to you how do you draw the Lewis structure, right? Okay, so the Lewis structure itu represent the electrons in the outer shell. Okay, so for example, sodium and air. Okay, how many electrons in the outer shell? Only one. So that's why I can draw sodium like that. I use a cross symbol to represent electrons. Next, how about chlorine? Oh, chlorine. Chlorine has 7 electrons in the outer shell. So I can draw chlorine like this. Now because sodium and chlorine are different, so that's why you better you use different symbol. For sodium, I use cross symbol and cross symbol. For chlorine, I use big dot. So I put 7. I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the Lewis structure of sodium and chlorine. Now take a look. Sodium to become octet, so sodium needs to remove 1 electron. So 1 electron in it will remove. So I put this arrow. Okay, but chlorine needs to take 1 electron. So chlorine will take 1 electron from the sodium. Now, sodium give to the chlorine, sodium take it. Okay, so arrow represent the sodium give electrons, arrow represent giving, and then to represent take electrons, I want to use a circle. That's good. So remember, circle represent the element take the electrons. When you put circle, you don't need to put arrow. Okay. So this is, we call it chemical structure based on Lewis or dot structure. That's the second thing. So there are 2 steps if you want to make Lewis structure or dot structure. Okay, so this is the first and this is the second. So how about in the third one? Okay, in the third one we need, can I erase this one? Okay, so I will erase this. You still use this one, yeah, the Lewis structure, because we need it. The third topic